Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you more about the conjunction. I also taught 3 kinds of conjunction already, and this is the last one. As you know that in the conjunction there are 4 kinds of conjunction. The first one is a coordinating conjunction. Number 2 is the correlative conjunction. Number 3 is a subordinating conjunction, and the last one is a conjunctive adverb. It is in the family of the conjunction. So to study more about the conjunctive adverb, please go together to check more. So here is the definition. Conjunctive adverbs are used to introduce the independent clause. What is an independent clause? Independent clause is a clause that can stand alone by itself and can make sense by itself. But in the writing class, we also have 4 kinds of sentences, like a simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. And for the conjunctive adverb, we normally use the conjunctive adverb to introduce the clause. So go together to check. Look at the example. We walk under the heavy rain. Luckily, we saw a small cottage and we walk and stay inside. So in the sentence, we call it a compound complex sentence. So we use conjunctive adverb to connect 2 ICs to make the sentence more complex. And you also can see the conjunctive adverb in the sentence as you know as luckily. So it looked like adverb in here, but we name it conjunctive adverb to describe about the manner of the activity or the action. So we walk under the heavy rain. This is the IC. This is the independent clause. And luckily we connect. We saw a small cottage. In this long sentence, we have 2 coincident activities that happen at the same time. The first one, we walk under the heavy rain, and then luckily we saw a small cottage and we stay and we walk and stay there in order not to get the heavy rain. So luckily is a conjunctive adverb and we use it to introduce the second independent clause. We also have common conjunctive adverbs in English. For example, like as a result, furthermore, however, consequently, finally, moreover, nevertheless, thus, similarly, therefore, on the contrary, in spite of, anyway, as for. We also have the meaning of the conjunctive adverb. As a result, it means the result. Furthermore, we use to talk about the addition. However, we use to show the contrast. Consequently, we use to show coincident result. It means that there are 2 actions that happen, and consequently we use it to connect the 2 activities. Finally, to sum up, moreover, we use it to add new idea. Nevertheless, we use to show the slightly different. Thus, it means so. Similarly, to talk about the similarity. Therefore, it is also to mean so, and we use it to start a new sentence. On the contrary, we use it to show the opposite. In spite of, we use it to show about the condition. Anyway, we use to show about the degree of the activities. For example, like whatever, anyhow, at least. As for, we use it to suggest the lack of interest. So for the conjunctive adverb, we also have this, and then we are going to see each other, and I will explain more about the conjunctive adverb in the writing playlist that I'm going to create it soon. And I do hope that you guys follow my YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and then you are going to see more lessons. And thank you very much for your participation into this video. Thank you.